Hide tick label values but keep axis labels. I have this image. I want to hide the numbers. If I use I get this image. It also hide the labels V and T. How can I keep the labels while hiding the values?
If you use the matplotlib object-oriented approach, this is a simple task using ax.set_stick labels and ax.set_etick labels. Here we can just set them to an empty list to remove any labels. If you also want to remove the tick marks as well as the labels, you can use ax.set_sticks and ax.set_eticks and set those to an empty list as well.
Without a subplots, you can universally remove the ticks like this. This works great. Just paste this before plt.show.
To remove tick marks entirely, use otherwise x.set_tick labels and x.set_stick labels will keep tick marks.
I się wam to zajmuje, to ja się tam źle w streaming.